Welcome to Lyra Tech, where we break down the latest in home tech. Today, we are looking at the Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a lightweight option designed for quick cleanups and pet hair. It promises convenience and powerful suction for everyday tasks. Check the link in the description for the best price. First up, let's dive into how well the Levoit Cordless Vacuum performs at its core job, along with its overall versatility in different cleaning scenarios. This chart examines the vacuum's ability to clean effectively, its battery life across different settings, and how well it handles the specific challenge of pet hair. We also consider how adaptable it is for general use. The cleaning power is stated as strong for dry messes, which is great for tackling everyday spills and debris. You get flexible run times, ranging from up to 50 minutes in eco mode with certain tools down to 12 minutes when using turbo mode for tougher jobs. For pet owners, the anti-tangle brush and dedicated 2-in-1 pet tool are significant advantages for keeping your floors and upholstery fur-free. Its lightweight design, ability to lie flat, and integrated LED lights greatly improve maneuverability, helping you reach under furniture and spot hidden dust. Overall, this vacuum brings solid cleaning performance with a strong focus on handling pet hair and adapting to various cleaning tasks around your home. Next, let's explore the Levoit Cordless Vacuum's design choices, how easy it is to maintain, and what owning it means for your wallet over time. This section covers the filtration system, which is crucial for air quality, along with how straightforward it is to empty and clean the unit. We also look at its physical design, portability, and the long-term ownership considerations. The 5-stage filtration system is impressive, capturing 99.9% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, which helps ensure cleaner air as you vacuum. Emptying the large dustbin is a breeze with just one click, and the anti-tangle brush significantly reduces the hassle of hair removal after cleaning. Weighing only 6.17 pounds, the vacuum is very portable and easy to carry around your home, offering a pleasant and ergonomic cleaning experience. A key factor in ownership is the need to replace the filter every 3 months, which adds to the long-term running costs of the vacuum. This vacuum combines thoughtful design and simple maintenance, but potential buyers should consider the recurring expenses for filters to keep it performing at its best. The Levoit Cordless Vacuum stands out as a strong contender for everyday cleaning, particularly if you have pets. Its anti-tangle brush and flexible design make quick work of messes, though you should factor in the ongoing cost of filter replacements. It delivers solid performance for its price, making it a valuable addition to most households.